Hey you guys, I have another full face of hair and makeup, starting with a lip balm in KOSAS and going straight into my Go Pure Beauty Actives. So I have the vitamin C serum, and then I have the hyaluronic acid serums. I've been using these for years. If you guys have been watching me, I'll go ahead and put codes for everything below in the description bar of this video so you guys can get discounts and you can figure out where to get all these products. Probably having another hot flash, so that fan is my life. Today I'm using the new oil-free Murad face moisturizer, so love that, especially if you guys have oily skin. You will love this to keep the oil at bay, but also moisturize your skin very well. I'm using the Tatcha Silk Peony eye cream. You guys know that I love this. That little jar has actually lasted me for a year and I haven't even barely got through. Okay, today for foundation, I am using KVD Beauty Lock-It Foundation. This is a pretty intensive matte foundation, so this is what I want to tell you guys. If you have a really matte foundation, you can always add some glow to it to make it more dewy. Now for eyes, I'm using Infallible concealer, and I love this. Is from L'Oreal. It is so good, you guys. Drugstore, and it is full coverage, and you will love it. It's one of my ultimate favorites. Okay, moving on, I'm gonna spray my skin a little bit. This is a Lilah B Aglow, a mist, my favorite glow spray. And again, that's just to give me more moisture in my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and lock in my under eyes like I always do with Mercier setting powder. It looks a little bit white. It's giving a little white cast in this video, but in real life, it wasn't white at all. And you can watch towards the end of the video how it all seeps in. Lord & Berry Cream Bronzer, you guys, I'm so obsessed with this brand. I have to contact them because I have been using this every day. Creams are the way to go for mature skin. I love it. And look how this just brings color back into my skin after that foundation. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set in that powder under my eye and then go ahead and do a little contour with a little baby brush. You can use any brush you want. I'm using the same Lord & Berry Cream contour and just keeping it kind of simple and using my fingers too. But I love to contour my nose. Okay, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Highlight and Contour Powder, and I'm gonna basically set my contour and then highlight my nose with powder. So when you put a powder on top of cream, it sets it so it's gonna stay all day long. Okay, so now we're gonna be using this beautiful Wander blush. So it's also a cream, which again, I am loving for mature skin. It's got the blush on one end, and then you turn it around on the other end. It's got a highlight stick, all cream, all dewy, making your skin look so refreshed and like you slept all night and that you are just loving life. That's why I love creams. I've been just using them constantly lately, and you can tell I really love this. I'll list everything below. Okay, this is by Milk Makeup. This is Fiber Brow from KUSH Fiber Brow from Milk Makeup, and this is just to give my brows a little more fullness. And then I'm gonna go in with KVD Vegan Beauty Signature Brow Pencil. You guys know it is my favorite. I talk about it constantly. This and Benefit Precisely my brow pencil. Okay, then I'm gonna go in and bronze everything up. This is KOSAS bronzer. This is skincare and makeup in one, so if you guys haven't checked out KOSAS, please do. Then I'm gonna do the Makeup by Yaya and the Shades by Shan palette collab. These are Bay Area ladies, love them so much. I've talked about them a lot in the past. I'm not really huge on eyeshadow, although I really do love it, and I'm trying my hardest to get more into eyeshadow and pick up some new brushes so I can start doing some more intense makeup looks for you for eyes. Now, if you guys want to see eyeshadow looks, please put a comment below, and I will definitely start trying to work on some. This palette's so easy to work with. I'm only using a couple of colors. I'm putting a color all over the lid, and then I'm just using a darker color on that outer corner. And then this beautiful bronze, I use my finger and put it right over the top of the lid, and it's just absolutely stunning. I also like to use this color Wifey, any bone color, white color on the brow bone, on the inner corner, and you are good to go. Okay, this is brand new from KVD Beauty, and it is the eyelash primer. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna act as like an eyelash curler. It's gonna curl your lashes. What I love about it, it doesn't have that white cast that most primers have, so I am just loving this. KVD's coming out with some really good things. This is Go Big or Go Home mascara, so I'm just gonna put KVD on top. Since we have so many KVD Vegan Beauty products in this video, I thought I would just go ahead and use one of my favorite mascaras. Okay, then Makeup Forever. Come on, you guys. Makeup Forever is just like one of those brands. I'm gonna use their highlighter. It's one of my faves. And pick it up if you've never tried any anything from Makeup Forever. I'm gonna do my baby wing liner with my Benefit Roller Lash. Roller liner here. You guys, I have the whole video. My previous video, my last video on YouTube, is a step-by-step of how to do a baby wing liner for women over 50. Hope you guys watch it. Then I'm going to do my lips, ending this video off. I'm going to use a lip liner. This is also by Shades by Shan. Any lip liner you want. This is just a darker brown, and then I'm going to fill it in with City Beauty, City Lips, Nude lip gloss. You guys have seen me in this a million times. I do partner with City Beauty, City Lips. This is my favorite color, my favorite gloss. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I have a discount code with free shipping. It's in the description. The link is in the bio, so you guys check it out there. But look how pretty that looks. This is quite different for me, just the gloss. Okay guys, we're doing hair next. So I'm using Dove Dry Shampoo in Brunette. I really love it. It helps conceal my scalp because it is brown. And then today I'm super excited to be trying out the Voloom Hair Volumizer. So basically it's like a little crimping iron, and it's for people who have fine baby hair, menopausal thinning hair, hair that just doesn't have any volume no matter what your age. So basically it gives your hair like this crimp, and that actually gives it texture, so it will give it some volume. So this was only the second time I tried this device, so it is a little bit tricky at first, but I would say it's pretty cool. So as you can see, I'm parting my hair and going down and crimping right above my ear and right by where my eyebrow is, and then I'm flipping my hair over and doing the exact same sections because I'm going to be wearing a middle part today. So these side sections are going to be all concealed and hopefully give me some volume. So I do think that you could probably do this with like a mini crimping iron if you have one. It's not exactly the same, but whoa. I will say this gives some major volume. Look at my hair. You guys know my hair is super flat and fine, so I do really like it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Dyson Corrale straightening iron to make curls. This is my favorite device in the entire world. And yeah, I think it's cool to get some volume and then curl your hair afterwards because it looks so nice. So there you go. Let me show you what it looks like when it's done. Oh my God, you guys, that is the look. I love it. Hope you guys have a great day. Please follow me on Instagram where I do so many daily post stories, and IGTV, and also on TikTok. You'll find me there, and I hope I will see you guys later. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.